Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook leads to MailerLite. All right. So first off, let's go ahead over to our MailerLite dashboard, and here, click on integrations in the left panel. Okay. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, scroll down and you'll find Facebook audiences right here instead of Facebook leads. Okay. Or Facebook lead ads. Facebook audiences right here and the Facebook leads or Facebook lead ads serve different but complementary purposes. Okay, Facebook audiences right here is for targeting ads to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to find new potential customers. This integration is for taking leads already captured via Facebook lead ads and adding them to your email list in MailerLite, and then nurturing them with email automation and other campaigns. So basically, just click on use in here. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on connect and just connect your Facebook account. Okay. Hit on save, wait for it to load, and make sure that the Facebook account logged in here owns the pages that you want it to be connected in here. Just click on got it, wait for it. Now you can go ahead and click on sync segment. Okay. In here, select a segment. Make sure that you already got a segment and the account. Okay. Now there will be a drop down right here for your Facebook audience. And once everything is selected, you can now go ahead and hit on save. And if you don't want this integration anymore, you can now go ahead and go back to, again, integrations. In here, we have the disconnect button right here. Okay, disconnect. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.